In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send reminders on Calendly. Whether you're managing a busy schedule or trying to minimize no-shows for your meetings, setting up effective reminders is a simple yet powerful way to keep everyone on the same page. Calendly makes it easy to automate this process, ensuring your invitees are prepared and your time is respected. If you don't already have a Calendly account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, open your web browser and type in www.calendly.com. Once the website loads, look toward the top right corner of the homepage and click on the login option. From here, you'll need to select your preferred login method. You can use your email and password, or for a quicker process, click on Continue with Google. If you go with Google, make sure you select the account that's linked to your Calendly profile. This is important so you don't accidentally log in with the wrong account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. Head over to the Event Types section. This is where all your existing event types are listed, such as a 30-minute consultation or a 1-hour project briefing. Find the specific event type you want to work on and click to open its settings. Now that you're inside the settings for your chosen event type, look for the Notifications and Workflows section. This is where you can manage the automated reminders for your events. To start, locate the 3 dots next to the Email Reminders option and give it a click. This will reveal your email reminder settings. Here, you can activate email reminders if they're not already turned on or adjust the timing and content of the emails. These reminders are crucial because they notify your invitees in advance, helping them stay on track and reducing the chances of no-shows. Take a moment to review the timing options. You may want to set a reminder for a day before the meeting or even a few hours prior, depending on what works best for your audience. Once that's set, let's move on to text reminders. Find the 3 dots next to text reminders and click on them. This will open up the settings for SMS notifications. If text reminders aren't activated yet, go ahead and toggle them on. Text messages are highly effective because people tend to check their texts more frequently than emails, making this an excellent way to ensure your invitees see the reminder. After activating the SMS reminders, you'll be able to adjust their timing just like with the emails. A good practice is to send 1 reminder a day before the meeting and another about an hour beforehand. This strikes a great balance, informative without being overwhelming. Take a moment to finalize your timing preferences and don't forget to save your changes before you exit. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully set up email and text reminders for your Calendly events. This automated system will keep your invitees informed and help ensure your meetings run smoothly. If you found this tutorial helpful, let us know in the comments below. And that's how you set up reminders on Calendly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.